Hello everyone. My topic is about list of important airport in India according to priority. Chennai International Airport. Bangalore Kempegowda International Airport. Goa Dambolim International Airport. Hyderabad Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Kolkata Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport. Thank you.